Question F involves a product and an embedded function, so chain. So when I do this function, when I differentiate this, I want to make sure that I understand that there is two parts. So we have a product. So I need to make sure I apply the product rule. And I also have to make sure that I apply the chain rule to the inside part. So when I apply this, it should look like this. I have the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. But when I differentiate the second term, I have to make sure I apply chain rule. So I'm going to have that prime. Okay, and I'm just going to put this in brackets here, and this represents the derivative of that second term. So then I can fill in these parts here. I have sine differentiates to cos x. Here we have e to the 2 cos 3x. Here we have sine x. Okay, the derivative of that e function is itself, so we're going to end up with e 2 cos 3x. So the derivative of the e function is itself. I then differentiate the inside of this. I end up with 2 negative 2 times 3, so or 3, yeah, so it's going to be negative sine. So negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 sine, and make sure we keep that 3x. So there's my derivative. I can simplify some of this. I can maybe take out a common factor. So I end up with a common factor of e to the 2 cosine of 3x. And then left inside is going to be cos x minus sine x, or 6 sine x times sine 3x. And it doesn't look like that will simplify.